Hello, everybody. It's Maddie with Maddie's TV coming to you with. What the hell was that? Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all what's happening. What I just heard. The trees are popping. They're breaking. That's what I just heard. But y'all, so far, we are at a grand total of 5 inches. Are y'all hearing that? It's the trees, the branches. Oh yeah, look at that one right there. That one completely fell down. That's the a trail pike right there. That's where the people walk through at right there where the trees are down at. But look how pretty it is. Y'all know I am in heaven. I know. I feel it so in my heart. I love it. This makes me so happy, y'all. Whew. It's cold as I don't know. Whew. It's cold out here, y'all. The snow is going down my shirt. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna just set it right here for a minute. Then we're gonna come on around like this in slow motion. Now, there's a lake over there behind them trees right there. It's a big lake over there. And normally you can see it, but you can't even see that now. So I live on the back side of my building. So I will go out later to give you guys some footage of the front. My son just called me. He wants to do a snowball fight as we do every year. So I'm getting ready for that. Y'all, if y'all can hear voices in the background, please disregard. This is the work of God here. I love it. I love it. I love it. Give you some footage of the ground. Yes. Y'all probably see movement in the phone. It's cold. I'm about to dip.
It's cold.
All right, guys. So until the next time, y'all see that snowfall? Oh my goodness, beautiful. All right, guys. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.